Hey guys, it's Gareth RPM Diecast, and today we have another mini GT. It is a Nissan Skyline R34 Tommykaira RZ in Millenium Jade Green. Really nice car. Really, I have really come to like mini GT. Now I've done all the Kaido houses, or I'm getting all the Kaido houses. Some of them are really hard to get, including those black editions, and they're going for insane, which I get it because they're limited. But anyway, again, these all have the Nissan licensing as well as a TSM model authentication sticker, which is always good to have because there's a lot of people faking these in China and they're selling them for like $3-4 bucks. But to get the authentic ones are awesome. This is number 697. I don't know if I said that already, but let's get this cracked open. I'm just trying to. I thought I had tape on it. That's what I was using a knife for. What a guy. Ooh. Damn, that is a thick boy. Not super thick. It's got like a little thickness. Tommykaira. Yeah, really nice casting. Hot Wheels does a 143 of this. It's same Millenium Jade, different rims, and obviously different wing, I think, even, but close enough. Let's go take some close-up photos, close-up videos, and then we will come back after. That was the Nissan Skyline R34 Tommykaira RZ in Millenium Jade Green. Green. Beautiful casting. Just a beautiful car overall. Even the small things. The Tommykaira license plate, which you guys would have seen in the close-ups. Just really, really nice. I'm really falling in love with these mini GTs. Now, obviously they're not... Hot Wheels will always be the staple, but these mini GTs for, I think I paid 14 bucks. 14 bucks, which is kind of, it's a little bit more than a Hot Wheels premium, but you're getting, you know, rubber tires that are falling off. I guess I shouldn't say that, but now it's fixed. Rubber tires, you get to put them back in the box. You can display them, put them back in the box. Even just that alone, to me, is really nice. And I love the Kaido houses. I've been really cracking down on getting all of them. I actually have 3 here now. I might do a video on. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Put down below your favorite casting for our giveaway, which is the Super T Hunt and the R34 Skyline. And keep on collecting.